Well, gang, Gentry did it to me again. 4 months to spend in the shop, I get it back, hook it up, look what happens. Fans come up real low, red light comes on, zero output. Well, I'm going to have to take the hood off this thing and see if some wires came loose. But if I can't find anything wrong with it, it looks like I got ripped off by Gentry Solar. So anyways, hang on. We'll see what's going on under the hood here, see if I can find anything. Okay, there you go. Hood's open. Checked all the wiring. Everything's connected. And there's no reason why this shouldn't be working. So 4 months in the shop, $450 bill, and I get back an inverter that doesn't work. That just goes to show you the quality you can expect from Genetry Solar. So if they ever resurrect their business again to start selling inverters, I'd stay away from these guys. Now, we'll just see just how hard it is to get a refund on this, because I'm through with this company, and I'm certainly not going to send this thing back when it costs $200 to ship it. So we'll see what happens on that. I'll let you guys know if I get a refund on this or not. And otherwise, stay tuned, and I'll give you an update on that sometime in the near future. Thanks for watching.